Hi Scorpios, this is your February 2021 career reading. I am going to look at the tarot cards in front of me. I have already taken them out and divinated upon them, clarified them. I have some energies in front of me. I would right away talk about it to you because I am excited to tell you about these cards. So the first card which I see is of the Two of Cups. Two of Cups means fresh new beginning. Fresh new beginning in anything. It could be in love, it could be, because it is a career reading, this means that fresh new beginning in your career is coming. It is coming in after a situation of break. There was a situation of break, as maybe a vacation you guys took, maybe a leave for recovery from illness or from some problem which you were facing. So basically you were in an isolated situation. You are an abundant person, you are earning good, you have everything with you, but there was something which caused some problem in your life. It could be health, it could be family matters, or it could be anything regarding your job. So you were taking a break. So it was a good break, it was a meditative break. You thought a lot about something. Some of you who are doing business, they are now going to see a partner coming in. So there will be a new offer or a new partner coming in, some new beginning, fresh new beginning, fresh, you will start something new now. So that is what is happening for you, Scorpios. Some of you are still feeling that you are not well. Some of you are feeling low in confidence. Some of you are feeling that there is a need for, there is a need for support. You are feeling that there is a need for support because you are thinking that you yourself are not enough. So there is a kind of situation which is stemming from the past. It could be a past situation which is coming in, which is giving you a cause for fear. So there is some past issue regarding some legal situation, in my opinion, because I see the justice reverse. So there is some legal issue which is causing concern in your life and which is coming in from the past. So you are losing confidence. You are losing confidence and you are thinking how to, deal with it. So as you go forward in your month of February, I see that you will have all the power. You will have what you need to, maintain this situation, contain this situation, or whatever you can say. So basically you will have the power to communicate your side of the story, because I see the justice reverse. So there is something happening regarding justice situation. Something is going against you right now, or it had gone wrong in the past. That's why you were feeling less in confidence. You were feeling fear. So that situation is going to be taken over by your embodiment of the magician. You will be able to give yourself support because you will get the support from the cosmos, and you will be getting support from elements of the earth. So everything will work for you. You just have to communicate. The lines will open. You will be able to, with your action, you will be able to produce results. That is what the Eight of Wands is saying. So whatever you are planning to do, you will be successful in that in the month of February. So whatever was causing you concern regarding, it could be law and order, or it could be the structure around you, the rules and regulations around you, the legal situation around you, whatever was causing you concern, it will now go towards development. It will go favorable as you go forward in the month of February. So the things which were giving you anxiety, the things which were giving you self doubt, someone who was working against you, someone who was betraying you, that situation will work towards illumination. So the negativity, the secrets, the shadows will go away. You will be able to see the truth. The truth, like a lightning, will be revealed regarding you, or regarding the other person, or regarding the organization where you are working, or things which you are fighting with. So there is a situation wherein a secret will come out regarding you, and you will be able to deal with it. It will come out into the light, and you will be able to deal with it. But it could be that you are also, it could be, someone external, there is something which you wanted to find. You were anxious, you were seeing vague things in front of you, there was a shadow, there was no illumination. But now you will be able to see illumination, you will be able to see the path, you will be able to cut the clutter, you will be able to take out people from your life who were giving you anxiety, who were giving you doubts in your life. So as you go forward, the past situation is clearing up. The past situation which was causing you problem will clear up, or a past friend will come and support you, reveal the truth for you. So whatever it is, or you will find the answers in the past, because it is a past problem, you will find the answers in the past. The truth will be revealed, the direction will be seen, new beginning will take place, the sun will shine, and recovery will take place. So things will happen in your favor. So regarding your career, this is saying that there could have had been a problem regarding your job, problem regarding your situation or your status in the job. You were feeling some fear, you were feeling less confident, something had gone wrong. This situation will recover, this situation will give you a bit of problem, but you will be able to come out of it successful. You will be able to fight it out, you will be able to show the truth to people, and you will be recognized for your contribution. You will be given name and fame, you will be able to shine brightly in your organization, in your business, in your studies. Everything will be good. So the outcome is saying that the collapse situation is there outside your realm. Something is affecting you because of the collapse of law and order, collapse of the structure, collapse of the rules and regulation or old systems. So there is a tower moment. You will come out successfully out of the tower moment. The crumbling of egos will take place. It could be internal or external. The tower situation will happen in the outcome, or it is happening in your life, but you will be able to come out of it, because I see the emperor and the hierophant. So the emperor and the hierophant means that structure and order will be restored, the light will be seen, illumination will happen, nothing negative will happen. Things will be put back to order, restoration of peace, restoration of balance, restoration of order will take place. So whatever you are up against, whatever is happening around you will be restored. And angels are telling you that you will be able to go forward regarding your plans. Your plans will go on schedule. You will be able to take a journey, you will be able to go towards your financial future, you will be able to make your money, your business. If it was seeing some crumbling, it was seeing some problems, restoration of order will take place. Things will start going normally or in fast speed for some of you. So have focus. Success is for you. In future you are going towards success. Some of you are also buying vehicles. So it is a small thing, but it can happen. So it is a signifier. So that's why I am telling you. So restoration of harmony, restoration of peace in your job will take place. Things will be difficult for some time, but in the month of February, lot of things will happen for balancing this thing. Your problems again, new beginning will take place, a path will be cleared for you. So that's it from my side, my dear Scorpios. If you have liked this reading, if it has resonated with your career situation, please write in a comment and give me a feedback. If you want a face-to-face reading, If you want to discuss with me your personal problems regarding your career or your love life or job life or family life, anything, I do face to face online readings. You can come to me, you can leave in a comment in the comment box regarding that. I'll direct you how to book my readings. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe, and share it with others. Bye bye.